which big chain coffee shop ang pinaka-wow og coffee latte?
I only get espresso-based drinks at Bose.
Starbucks boy man jud ko, pero ang lami gyud na latte is I feel like sa Bose gyud.
Mas ganda ako sa Bose.
Siguro Starbucks. Kay dahan ko tamis siya.
Akong favorite nga coffee place is CBTL.
So today you'll be trying 3 different lattes from 3 different big chain coffee shops. Then you'll pick which one ang pinaka-wow. But there's a twist. You're gonna try them blindfolded.
Blind? Girl, we're getting kinky here, huh?
Sige.
Go! I'm ready!
Coffee number 1.
Coffee, ha? Basigun sa ihatag na ko. Okay. Naadyo siya taya nga aftertaste. Strong akong feeling nga Starbucks jud ni. This one's a meh for me.
Nasa yung pagka-coffee nga taste, yung pagka-pait o creamy nga mix. I'm guessing coffee bean. Oh?
Kusog kay siya ka ng taste ka ng like black coffee dyan siya halos. CBTL, feel like it's a meh.
More on milk siya. Nai-hit gamay sa coffee. I think it's in Starbucks. It's meh for me.
Prominent yung bean. Probably Starbucks. For me, coffee number 1 is a WOAH.
Coffee number 2.
Wakay siya kailangan yung coffee nga taste, di kaya mo pilit sa mouth. Yung pagka-creamy kaya medyo lasaw gamay. It's a meh.
Tabang ra kayo siya. Post, a meh lang gihapon.
Na-taste na ko ang milk, na-taste na ko ang coffee. Balance siya. I like it. And I think it's from CBTL. Coffee number 2 is a wow for me.
Yep. Mas daghang milk ni. Kani kay CBTL gani. Coffee number 2 is still a wow for me.
First of all, ganong plastic straw ni. My God, we must save the turtles. Feel ako this one is from Bose Coffee. This one is a wow for me.
Coffee number 3.
Ew. Mas worse na siya glasa.
I only get espresso-based drinks at Bose.
Di ko ganalay nga coffee. Feel na ko mo ni ang CSB. Charing. Okay ba? Asa din siya nga coffee gikan pero wala siya lame. It's a meh for me.
But gakuwang man. Probably Bose. Kay equal ra sir ba? Why nagpalabi? Meh for me.
Kanya siya more milky ang lasa for me. Tamis-tamis ko siya gamay. It fits my style of coffee lang dyan. Starbucks. Pinaka-wow siya.
Hit jud ang yung coffee taste niya. I like the milk nga medyo di kay siya overpowered kay sa coffee. I think it's from Boss Coffee. It's an uwu for me. Whoa! Awin ako. Coffee number 3 is a woo for me.
Tastes like Bose. I like it. It's a wow, but I guess ang choice number 1 game is better.
Now, let's reveal unsay mo gipick as pinaka-wow.
From CBTL.
Yes. That's right.
What? For real? Coffee bean? Oh my gosh! Abi na ko po niya third! What the fudge? Really? Di ko mo to. Feel na ko inyong giilisan. Kanang inyong giswap ang packaging.
What I expect? Okay, so I guess nice ang ilang coffee latte here sa Starbucks.
Wala, amazing. Wala ako nag-expect. Later siya tong last time na ako pag-try of Bose.
Yay, Starbucks.
Was it your favorite Bose?
Kana, anong unang favorite mo? Time's up. Naglibog na ako. Kaya usually, favorite na akong Bose, pero this time around, I'm pleasantly surprised. Ang pinaka-wow for me, for this episode, Starbucks.
Ang pinaka-wow nga coffee for me is Starbucks.
Ang akong pinaka-wow na coffee drink is from Bose.
Ang pinaka-woo for me is CBTL coffee.
So I guess ang favorite na nako nga coffee latte is from Coffee Bean. Bisag dito sila mo save sa turtles kay plastic ilang straw.